Hey there, container enthusiasts. We just got our new plasticized rubber ramps in. These things are specifically designed to let you get in and out of your shipping container. But in this video, we are going to answer your guys' questions in the comment section below of the previous, and we will test them with the skid steer, test them with the shop forklift, and see how they handle. In a previous video, we destructive tested these things. We pancaked them with our top lift, but all in all, we were super impressed with them. And so we're bringing them in, and they are now available for sale. Before I go and do something silly, I'm gonna make sure that this even fits. What do you think, Will? No way?
No way.
8 foot, I don't know, 2, 4, 97. These have already handled this skid steer, lifting 3,000 pound totes into this container and out of another one. And they're really no worse for wear. A couple nubs worn off here, but they're a great size. We made sure we selected the proper size so that it fits nicely with the sill of a container door. So they're 5.5 inches tall, 20 inches long, and 20 inches wide. So nice wide tires. If you don't line them up perfectly, you still hit the ramp, and then 20 inches deep where you get not too steep of a slope. So a huge advantage with these rubber ramps compared to our old school heavy duty ramps. We still sell those, the big industrial versions, but those you require your forklift to lift them in place, and you have to open the container doors, put the ramp in place, do what you gotta do, get it out of the way, and then close up your container doors. So with these rubber ramps, you can just throw them inside the container, pull them out when you need them, put them away when you don't, and they won't get stolen on you. So let's check it out. We just performed that test there, so you can see these totally handled the weight of both the shop forklift and the Bobcat. We apologize, our forklift's a little gutless and think it has the wrong oil in the tranny or something, but yeah, it handled the weight. One last thing just to show is the dimensions. So these things are 20 inches wide, 20 inches long, 5.5 inches tall. That height there, as long as your container is sitting on the ground, is a good height. In this instance, it's actually not touching in the corner castings, which makes it a little bit worse because we have a little bit of a ramp to go up, but still you saw that the skid steer and the forklift made it up and into the container, and they're no worse for wear. This damage here was sustained prior, and yeah, I mean, you might ruin your treads a little bit, but they're not something that's gonna last forever. You might get a year out of them and have to replace them, but compared to spending $1,500, $2,000 on a huge heavy duty ramp for 125 bucks each or whatever these are, it's a great solution for golf carts, quads, forklifts in and out, even vehicles, cars, whatever. So awesome. If you're looking to buy these, please, you can find them on our website, tcg.ca. They're also Container Modification World, I'll have them on there, or just straight up on Amazon, you can purchase these. They're a great product. We hand selected them. And yeah, basically replacing the old crumbly rubber ramps that we had prior. This is the new standard in our opinion. Couple holes for it to be secured down in place if you wanted that. So yeah, I guess if you enjoyed this video of William and I ramping forklifts inside this container, please help us out, give it a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notification. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.